Wait, are you in Nigeria and you've always wanted a Stripe account but thought it wasn't possible? Then don't skip this video because what I'm about to show you might surprise you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Heavenly Gracie Money Corner, the channel where I share legit ways to make money online, creator tools and online opportunity that actually works. So guys, recently while setting up my payout method on Luel AI, I discovered something very interesting. So instead of stopping because Stripe isn't officially available for direct sign-ups in Nigeria, I followed the onboarding process and successfully created a Stripe Express account. You get that? What's even more interesting is that I can log into my Stripe dashboard, monitor my earnings, and manage my payout information from there. So guys, in this video, I will show you the exact step I followed so you can do the same if you're using Luel AI. Let's get started. All right, let's find our way right into our Luel dashboard. Remember I said we are going to be creating this account from our Luel. Okay, so here we are. You're going to look down and click on earnings. Okay, so from the earnings you will be asked to do what? To put your Stripe account. You get that? So now you click on the Stripe account and then it's time to do what? To fill in your Stripe account information, right? First of all, you're going to now input your legal name, your full name, your government approved name. All right, so let's go. I'm just going to type in my name here now. And once I'm done typing in here, what I'll do is to click on connect with Stripe. Okay, I hope you can see this clearly. All right, so you hit the connect with Stripe and wait for it to take you to the onboarding site. All right, here we are. Okay, now let's get started. You're going to put your email address is already there. And now I found out that my Nigerian number wasn't receiving code, so I decided to use my UK line. So if you have a UK line, you can do so, or you get yourself a UK line. Okay, so now I have filled in the number and here it is. I'm going to click and continue with Stripe. Okay, now you can see that Stripe have given me to sign in Express. You get, so this is registering Express. So now I'm going to put my email address and hit the continue button. All right, here I'm to put my mobile number so that I can receive a code. I'm just going to type in my UK line. If you don't have one, you can buy from Numero or call.com or even a one-time number. That is your choice. So after typing in the number, I will hit submit. Now a code will be sent to the number. Now let me go get it and put it here so that we'll verify. All right, I've gotten the code. Here is me typing it in. As you can see, after that, I will continue. Okay. Hold on, it's loading. My network is a bit slow. Okay, now it's time to fill in the type of account you want. So we're going with individual or sole proprietorship, not a company, not a non-profit organization. Then you hit submit. Now it's time to fill in your personal details. Okay, so you fill in your last name, your legal first name, your last name, your date of birth, your home address, and all the rest. So watch me as I fill in my information. Okay, after filling that, I clicked on send, and now it's time to add my account for payout. As you can see, the account holder name, it has to be the legal name I have put before. So I'm going to just type in there. Then the Swift slash big code. Okay, we are coming to that now. Let me just type in my name. Okay, so now I'm done with typing in my name. About the Swift code, we are going to go to Chrome and search the bank. I will be using my GT bank. So I'm going to be going to my Chrome browser to search for GT bank Swift code. You understand? All right, let's go. Okay. Swift code for GTB. You can see it, I'm using my Nigerian bank. All right, so look, the primary Swift code for Guaranteed Trust Bank. Okay, so okay, I'm just going to copy this right now and go and paste it. Let's go back and paste it in the Swift code column. All right, now I'm going to put in my account number. And after which I'll confirm the account number, same account number. You can see I just copied and paste. Then you hit, you go through it and then you hit the continue button. All right, you can see that now they want you to review and submit. You have to review the information you've given to them to be sure that that is the accurate info before you submit. Okay, why not? I have to cover my info. What do you want to use it for? All right, so after reviewing all this, all you have to do is do what? To hit the submit button. Okay, you can see it's loading. All right, so information submitted, you can see. All right, now when you go back, you find out that your account has been done what? Marked as submitted. All right, so now I want to go to Strip Express account and log in my information, as in with my email, to find out that if I truly have a Strip account registered. You get that? Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, let's sign into the dashboard. All right, now I'm going to put in the email I use in registering the Strip account. Okay, now as you can see, I added the email and it's requesting I sign in because the account uses mobile verification. You know, I didn't use a password. So now they're going to send me a code to the number I used in creating the Strip account. Okay, now the code. Let me go copy the code and bring it here. Okay, now that I've input the code, I'm going to just sign in. All right. As you can see, my dashboard is open. You see that? Okay, so see my earnings, 0. I don't have any earnings here. So this is my Luel Strip account. The Strip account connected to my Luel. Do you understand? Okay, you can see that it has opened because this is the account I was able to create from Express. You see that? You can see my balance. You can see the one on the way, the bank, my recent earning. It's time to confirm my email. So now I click confirm and I will go back to my email to confirm it. Okay, here we are. I click on the confirm email. And then here we are once again. Everything is set. Everything is all set. As you can see. Yeah, so that is it. That is how to create a Strip account. And that's how I successfully created my Stripe Express account. through Luel AI. Just a quick reminder, this is a Stripe Express account created through Luel's payout system. It's different from opening a regular Stripe account directly on Stripe's website. So keep that in mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Heavenly Gracie Money Corner, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorial on online earning platforms and creator tools. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the setup, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.